To see the analytics on your campaign, simply hover the sweepstakes in the dashboard to reveal more options and click on Analytics. The Analytics dashboard will slide out, and this is where you'll be able to see all of the data that we track for you on your sweepstakes. Now for starters, we track your basic entry data, which includes page views, unique views, entries, bonus entries, as well as referrals. Now this data is plotted on a chart, and we also provide it in a table format below the chart. All data is exportable by simply clicking on the Export Data button. Now, on the top right-hand corner of the chart, you can manipulate the chart by day, week, or even month. Also, you can compare certain data points on the chart by turning them on or off. So for example, let's say I want to compare entries to bonus entries. I can simply click on these other data points to turn them off, and the chart will automatically update, showing me the comparison between those two specific data points. Now, in addition to your basic entry data, we also track a lot of social data for you. So for example, let's say you had people following you on Twitter, following you on Instagram or Snapchat, as well as liking your Facebook page, all as bonus entry actions. Well, ViralSweep will be able to track all of that data for you and show you the growth of your audience that came from the sweepstakes. Again, we show you this data in the form of charts, as well as a table view down below the chart. We show you the exact breakdown of each page or network and how many followers or likes you had received. In addition, let's say you're working with multiple partners on a sweepstakes and everyone wants to have their Facebook or their Twitter page listed. ViralSweep even shows you a segmented breakdown of the data so you can know how many likes or followers each individual page received. Now under social actions, this is where we show you any of the sharing that occurred, as well as any additional actions like people visiting a website URL or watching a YouTube video. Again, we provide this data in the form of charts as well as a table view below the chart. Under tracking is where we will allow you to create your own custom tracking URLs for any of your marketing initiatives. Let's say you plan to do an email blast and a Facebook post. You would simply type the source, email blast, in the box and click on Generate URL. Down below, we'll show you the source name, as well as the URL that you need to use when sending out your email blast. And then our system will track the page views and entries that came through that URL. You can also create as many URLs as you want, and if you're working with multiple partners or having multiple websites promote your sweepstakes, you can create an individual URL to give to each partner. That way you can track all the traffic and entries that those partners are driving to your campaign. Under sources is where we will show you all of the links that people came from to enter your sweepstakes. We show you 2 links for each entrant if we are able to track them, and we show you the total number of entries attributed to each link. The first type of link we show you is the entry page URL, which is the URL that was in the user's browser at the time they entered the sweepstakes. The second link we show you is the referring URL, or the place the user came from to get to your sweepstakes. For example, let's say your sweepstakes was posted on Facebook and people clicked on the link from Facebook and entered your sweepstakes. Under referring URL, we would show facebook.com, and under the entry page URL, we would show the landing page URL of the sweepstakes. Under technology, this is where we will show you the breakdown of desktop versus mobile entries, so you can get an understanding of where your traffic is coming from. Again, we show this data to you in a chart view as well as a table view down below.